Now at 11, a story some of you may find disturbing. It involves a woman's claims of sexual abuse in a court filing, which she has given us permission to report. Those claims, the basis of a stand your ground defense in her murder trial. She's accused of killing a 68-year-old Navy veteran. And tonight, On Your Side's Ann Schindler takes a look at how the often controversial stand your ground law is being used in this particular case.
November 2018, 68-year-old Raphael Sir killed in his Southside home. Police say the Navy veteran was evicting his roommate, Jessica Norton, then 31, when things turned violent. According to police, she began hitting Sir. He in turn grabbed a samurai sword and she beat him to death with something the size of a DVR.
This is a person who, already has a sensitivity to violence that others might not have.
Attorney Janet Johnson isn't involved in the case, but says the stand your ground claim is unique.
This law applied to this person with this experience is different than it might be to somebody else.
The motion details Norton's history of sexual abuse starting at age 10, when she was trafficked by her mother to a neighbor who produced child porn, a fact she gave us permission to report.
It also tells the judge, here's somebody that's had a really terrible life.
A traumatic event can be different for everybody.
Jackie Meredith is the Sexual Assault Program Coordinator for Betty Griffin Center.
For her, it could very much bring up these horrible feelings, and it just makes her react.
A hearing has not been scheduled, but Johnson says the stand your ground claim shifts the balance in court.
If the defense has made a prima facie case of stand your ground, now the state has to disprove that it was self-defense.
Norton's due back in court next week. Ann Schindler, First Coast News, On Your Side.
And we do want to take a moment to reiterate that Norton did give us permission to publish the details of that court motion, including the claims of past sexual abuse. We also want to remind all survivors of domestic violence that there is help available for you. The Hubbard House Abuse Hotline, it's right there on your screen, 904-354-3114. You can also text for help to 904-210-3698.